Using past, present, and future tenses in English is crucial for effective communication. Here's a brief overview of how to use these tenses. Past tenses. 1. Simple past. Used to describe completed actions or events in the past. 1. Example: I studied English yesterday. 2. Past continuous. Describes ongoing actions or events that happened in the past. 3. Example: she was reading a book when I called. 3. Past perfect. Used to indicate an action that occurred before another action in the past. 3. Example: I had already finished my work when he arrived. Present tenses. 1. Simple present. Used for general truths, habits, or routines. 1. Example: the sun rises in the east. 2. Present continuous. Describes ongoing actions happening at the present moment. 2. Example: she is watching a movie right now. 3. Present perfect. Used to express actions that started in the past but have a connection to the present. Example: I have visited that museum before. Future tenses. 1. Simple future. Used to talk about actions or events that will happen in the future. 1. Example: they will arrive tomorrow. 2. Future continuous. Describes ongoing actions that will be happening in the future. 2. Example: I will be studying for my exam at this time tomorrow. 3. Future perfect. Used to indicate actions that will be completed before a specific future time. Example: by next year, I will have finished my degree. Remember, these are general guidelines, and there may be additional nuances and exceptions. Practice using these tenses in different contexts to become more comfortable and accurate in your language usage.